Dear friends, welcome to RPA Tutorials. In this video, we will cover different types of recorders available in Automation Anywhere client application. At the time this video is created, the latest version of Automation Anywhere client is 10.7. In order to automate your processes, you need to create automation tasks. Automation Anywhere gives you 4 ways to create your automation tasks: Smart Recorder, Screen Recorder, Web Recorder, and Task Editor. When planning to build your task, be sure to select the appropriate recorder or the task editor that best matches the behavior of your task. For example, for a process that is based on web applications to extract data from websites, you would be best served by selecting the web recorder. In this video, we will cover a brief overview of these recorder types. For detailed insights and demo, check out our other videos in the playlist link flashing at the top. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel though. The screen recorder, previously known as the standard recorder in versions earlier than 10.0.0, is used to record a series of actions on your computer. It can record actions such as mouse clicks along with coordinate details where the click was made on the screen, and can also record any kind of keyboard operations such as keystrokes, both single and combinations. It is a suitable choice if you plan to run the recorded task on the same computer on which it was recorded. This ensures that the screen display coordinates are the same as they were when the task was recorded. However, the task will fail to execute if there is any change made at the UI level, like moving an icon that needs to be clicked to some other place. The Smart Recorder enables you to record a task or a series of actions on your computer when building tasks that require capturing objects from applications that use technologies such as HTML, Java, WPF, Flex and Silverlight. In order to do this, you must have appropriate plugins activated in the client application. Recorded actions are saved as a set of object cloning commands in the task editor which can be further manipulated to perform desired actions on the application. This helps overcome the shortcomings of the screen recorder as changes in the UI level may not necessarily impact task execution. However, any patch upgrade to the application which changes the application interface can have an impact. The web recorder understands all web controls such as URL command line, drop-down menus and command bar icons, web page text fields, graphics, and buttons, navigation and hotspot links and any kind of web forms. It is only applicable when recording web-only tasks. Unlike screen recorder, if website controls on a page move location, the web recorder can locate the correct controls and adjust the task to run without error. If the properties of the web controls change, the automation task can be updated to ensure that the task runs successfully. The task editor is used to create tasks manually. It provides hundreds of commands that you can use to create automated processes for your organization. With the task editor, one can quickly build and deploy automated processes with simple drag and drop operations. The solution is also flexible and robust enough to build more complex, integrated, end-to-end processes. This is how the task editor window looks like. You can find the commands panel on the left-hand side. You can choose these predefined commands and configure them to perform appropriate actions relevant to automate your processes. To build your task, drag and drop commands from left panel to the Task Actions list section. You can display multiple tasks at once using tabs at the top which will enable you to edit them side by side, make copy, paste and reuse very easy. Expand the boxes on the right to view the Error View and Variable Manager panel. The 4 automation task development techniques that you just witnessed captures a lot of information from the applications it accesses or works upon. If the process is dealing with sensitive data, such as when you are automating a task in a banking setup which might include customers' private identification data, you can enable secure recording mode in the control room settings under Client Configuration section. This will reduce the risk by not capturing sensitive information. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on RPA and Automation Anywhere tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below or email us for any suggestions, feedback or questions.